The vision for RAM is to continue to be a leader in building maintenance and building construction across WA, whether that's residential, commercial, any industrial sort of work. We want to be a go-to for any building and maintenance needs.
We've invested really heavily in strong systems and strong people. We have made a very big effort to put the right people in the right areas. Everyone knows their role, so the client sees fewer delays and fewer surprises. It's the whole team working together effectively.
Reliable Asset Maintenance delivers general building works, refurbishments, fit-outs, roofing and licensed construction across commercial, government and residential assets. Our services span carpentry, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, fire, flooring and ongoing building maintenance. One point of contact for all your building needs. Genuine, flexible and reliable. So internally, RAM have 15 employees that are directly employed to the business, but we've got a network of suppliers and contractors that exceed 170. So we've got good coverage from Broome right the way down to Esperance. So RAM started as a family-run business with myself, my wife and my father. We wanted to make sure that there was someone out there that was honest, flexible and reliable, and that's purely where the business was born from. I want to build relationships that last for 10, 15, 20 years.
RAM is a place where people matter, quality comes first, and the goal is always to build something that lasts.